Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Drift My Ride Owners Edition. Today we've got William showing me how he drives his E36 powered by a V8 3UZ. So finally, I've got some merch available. If you head over to craigdoesdrift.com, you're going to find t-shirts, hoodies and stickers. They're in sizes from small all the way through to 5XL. Everything is print on demand with international drop shipping, so you don't have to wait on me putting it in the post. Anything I make from the shop goes back into me making content. Just to put it into perspective, one of these Drift My Rides takes like about 8 hours to edit. That doesn't include filming, going to filming. YouTube, I'm lucky if I'd maybe make £5 out of an episode. So anything you buy in the shop really does help me put some money into making some more content. Let's go! Billy's driving! Whoa! One of the issues with Crail is if you hit the tyres, you have to fix them. And they're quite big tyres. You're insane. I was like, we're gonna hit those tires. We're gonna so die. They're going into those tires. And you're just like, no, I know exactly how long my car is. Yeah. I know exactly where the front of my bonnet is.
Slightly scrapes on the back of this bumper.
Oh my goodness. I was just like, and you're like, it's so violent as well. Like you chuck it in, proper chucking it. I was doing none of that. Mine was like a Sunday drive in comparison. I was like, okay, this is different.
It's I don't know. I've probably got quite an aggressive style.
There was some hawking going on today. Do we have enough tires? way off the track.
Maybe a little.
Dude, thanks mate, that was absolutely amazing. Oh. Like, share, subscribe. Impressive shit.